Hi class, I want to make this quick video as we begin week 4, just to follow up with you about a couple of things. As a reminder, we have our weekly modules, so you'll always want to, at the beginning of the week, check these. I try to post these on Sunday before the week begins so that you kind of have an overview of what to look for throughout the week. The other thing is, I'm going to go to student view. This weekend, I started adding assignments that we have coming up. And we have one major assignment for the semester. It's an ethnographic research project, but it's a single project that includes various parts. And so I started putting some information in here. If you go down to research paper final draft, this is where you'll find kind of the most detailed information about your actual paper. For these topics, I'm going to make these live links to explain what should be included. And so, for example, and just kind of keep an eye on this over the course of the week. But for example, if you click on abstract, it'll explain to you how to write an abstract, literature review, and so on and so forth. The first thing that will be due is your observation notes and audio of your interviews. And I will send you information about conducting interviews. But for this project, you should be collecting or interviewing 2 people and observing the community that you are going to be quote unquote studying, and then you'll need some secondary sources. You'll have a website / presentation, and the website will just be using Adobe. I can't remember the name of the software, but I'll give more information to that. And it's pretty simple, pretty be pretty easy for you to use. And then you'll present, and then for our final, quote unquote final, you'll upload your website, which will include some other things. I'll let you know exactly what's on there. And we will, for your final, you'll do a written evaluation of someone's final project. And let's see, I'll give you more information about what an ethnography is, but for the most part, an ethnographic study explores a social or cultural issue of particular interest. And so what you will do is go out and learn about a discourse community of your choice. This can be a community that you are already a part of, or a community that you want to learn more about. And so let's say if, you're interested in the spoken word community, for example. And so maybe you interview 2 spoken word poets or artists. You go to a spoken word event. And the reason why you want to do that is you can frame your report based on the actual event, the context of that place. And then you'll gather some more information. But remember, for this, we're thinking about language and culture and how they work together, which is why we're choosing a community that has its own unique discourse. And then that's what you'll be reporting on. But as the weeks progress, I'll get more information to you. And please, of course, if you have questions, let me know. I think that's it. Make sure that you are doing your weekly discussions. And just real quickly, our discussions are over the course of 2 weeks. And so this week, we're in weeks 4 and 5 discussion. By the end of week 4, the Sunday, the last day of week 4, you should have your first post made, and then your response post made by the end of week 5. I can't, in the system, put in 2 different due dates. I can only put one in, so I just putting the due date for when the 2-week sequence ends. But please make sure you get that first post in on time. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.